fan that he put on there. I think it worked really good. Standing over here on the porch with the doggos that are watching him.
So to explain that a little bit, y'all, this is the tree pile that was pushed down to clear this property this part of the property that our trailer sits on, our double wide. We have a 28 by 40 Slate Mobile Home straight double wide. And the area on the other side of him where he's at is a sitting area that's a big circle, and it's in between us and my father-in-law's house that's down there. And we was cleaning it up to be able to sit up there in the shade and stuff and enjoy our days. But it grew back up and it needs some work. And this area where he is actually working on, once we get all those trees cleaned up and stuff, because they go down into the woods also, and we are going to turn that into a big garden area, because this side of our mobile home is where our hose pipe faucets are, and we'll be able to run a hose over there easily. But it's really time consuming doing this. He's having to wait until late in the evening because it's too hot during the day. And we've been having like 100 degrees here. I mean, we're almost to Florida where we're at in Alabama, so I'll have to video next time I go to my mom's house and show y'all where they live. They live above a place called Horsepens 40, and they get cooler temperatures before we do, and they get snow and everything up there too. So, but I'm happy down here, even though we deal with all these hot months in the summer. But when you look down the trail where those signs are right there, and you go past that, you see where the dirt, where the road like goes down and it curves around to the right. That's a neighboring property that's next door to us. And our tree pile that was pushed over right here actually goes all the way down in the woods almost to his driveway, which is still part of the property. And that's why we haven't set this big old pile on fire or anything, because it would cause a big woods fire over here, and we don't want that. So, and we're trying to keep a lot of the trees standing. We're probably going to go in and take out all the small trees and leave the big trees and stuff. But we're working on it little by little. It's taking a little bit of time. We're wanting to actually knock these trees out where the camera is and stuff, to where we can make our backyard a lot bigger. We got a pretty good sized front yard, we just don't have a really big backyard. Like that side where the burn stuff is, and this part right here is pretty much, show you better. Yeah, this side right here, this is pretty much all of our backyard that we have. So we're gonna move that truck also, but the brakes are locked up on it, so we're having a hard time trying to pull it. It needs a head gasket done to it, and we're gonna try to get that worked on probably in the fall. It's gonna be a good longer video for y'all. I'm so happy with that machine, and I'm happy that he takes good care of it too. And he took the back cover off because of airflow. getting dark. But this camera makes it look like it's daylight. I'm gonna start putting out more videos during the week.